Look into elevator marketing strategy. Discover how to create stunning QR codes in Canva that not only catch the eye but also drive engagement. With just a few easy steps, you can design custom codes that reflect your brand's identity and make it easier for customers to connect with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out. Let's get creative and transform your approach to marketing today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can get started and create codes on Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So to get started, you have firstly to create an account by clicking over here and just click over sign up, and you have your email address and your password. Also, you can log in your account and you'll find it. So QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to digital content, and Canva makes creating them effortless. With a variety of customizable templates, you can design eye-catching QR codes that match your brand style, whether for marketing materials or social media. These codes can boost engagement and drive traffic. Get creative with Canva and turn your QR codes into a powerful marketing tool. So you have just to click over here and you click over home and you will find this page. Also, we have here other options like design spotlight, business, education, and plans and pricing, and we have also learn. So we'll find this page as you can see. Right now, I'll show you how you can create your codes, QR codes. So the first step that you have to do is click over create a new code, create a design. So here we have for you docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, website, custom size, and upload. I will click over custom size and I will select here the width and the image also. For example, here we have 9 and we have here 9, and I will click over in. Also click again 9 and also click 9. So here we have create new design. As you can see, this is the home page how it looks. So firstly, I will select, for example, here basketball, and we'll find this. I will say the first one, for example, and right now let's come back and I will just scroll down like that, and I will select here the apps. Firstly, I will select here this one. I'll put it here like that. Then I will just search here for QR code, and I will click over enter. I will find this, and we have add a URL, and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So I need here the URL, so I will just go and, for example, I will search, for example, here basketball. I will just write basketball. So this is the index, by the way. So for example, I will select, for example, I will select this one. Then I will click over copy the link, and then I will just come back here and I will just paste it. Then I will click over generate code, and here we have the code as you can see. Also, you can just select the background color, and we have foreground color also, as you can see. Then I will put it here, and here we have it, the QR code, as you can see. So this is about this one, and right now let's just click over presentation. I will show you how you can share your QR code. So once you click over this one, you will find this page as you can see. So right now I will just search for one template. For example, I will select this one, and here we have it. You can also modify all the things and edit your own template. With these options, you can just get started. So right now let's click on over share, and we have here share this design. People would access it. So I will just click over public view link. We have created a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. No sign in required. I will just click over create link with watermarks. And here we have the design is shared as you can see. Publicly, anyone with the link can access a view-only version of this design. So I will click over copy here. and then I will just go here and I will paste. You can just open your browser and just paste here this link. Then I will click over enter. And we have this one, as you can see. So this is the same. You can just share it with your friends like that. Here we have various options to share it: WhatsApp, phone link, Gmail. You can also, if you create an account and you share it with your friends. So this is the same one. So it's my own template right now, and we have it in Google, as you can see. So right now I will just go to here and I will just do the same steps. I will click over create design. I will just go to the custom size, and then I will just choose here the width, and here we have the height and the unit. For example, I will choose here n, and here we have I will choose height 9, and the width I will choose 9 again. Then I will just click over create new design, and you will find this page. So you have just to scroll here and you should click over apps. You search here for QR code. Like that. Then you will find again this one. So add a URL and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach URL. So I will just paste it like that. Then I will choose the custom here, background color, foreground color, and then I'll click over generate code. So here we have it, as you can see. So I will choose first the background here. For example, I'll choose this one. Also, you can add a title if you want. And here we have it. This is our QR code. So right now, let's click over share. We have here other options to share this. For example, you can add people with access. Then here we have only you can access design using this link, and we have here the option anyone with the link. Anyone can access the design using this link. So I will select the second one. And about edit, we have here can view, can comment, and can edit. I will select can view, and here we have a copy link, as you can see. Also, we have here see all, public view, template link, present, print, and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, and we have embed here and website also. So this is it. So creating QR codes on Canva is a straightforward and creative way to enhance your marketing efforts with its intuitive design and tools. You can customize QR codes to match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring they are not only functional but also visually appealing. This seamless integration allows you to elevate your promotional materials, making it easier for your audience to connect with your content. Embrace the power of QR codes on Canva and watch your engagement soar. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.